Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss most important questions of biology which are very important for exams. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. So our first question is, the specific role of vitamin K is the synthesis of answer prothrombin. Next question. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight to the body? Vitamin D. Next question. Which cells in our body are popularly called soldiers of the human body? Answer red blood cells. Next question. Which of the following is not a fat soluble vitamin? Ascorbic acid. Next question. Which of the following vitamin is also called as pyridoxine? Answer vitamin B6. Next, DNA is stored majorly in dash of the cell. Answer nucleus. Name the disease caused by the deficiency of niacin. Answer pellagra. What is the component of the coenzyme A? Pantothenic acid. Which vitamin is also known as cobalamin? Answer vitamin B12. Name the vitamin which functions as hormone as well as visual pigment. Answer retinol. Which of the following vitamin serves as a hormone precursor? Vitamin D. Which tissue transport food to various parts of the plant? Answer phloem. Name the structure analog of vitamin K which is used as anticoagulant. Answer warfarin. Which of the following is not a mosquito-borne disease? Answer sleeping sickness. Vitamin C is required for the production and maintenance of collagen. Name the gland that control the function of other endocrine glands. Answer pituitary gland. Next question. Which human body part can well be called the chemical factory of the body? Liver. The first formed primary xylem elements are called protoxylem. The vitamin folate works together with dash to produce new red blood cells. Answer vitamin B12. Next question. Which of the following is not a water soluble vitamin? Answer is tocopherol. Next. Which organelle is also called as powerhouse of the cell? Answer mitochondria. Insulin is a kind of hormone. Next, name the vitamin which takes part in blood clotting. Answer vitamin K. Next question. Which is the longest bone in human body? Answer femur. Next question. Which acid is released when an ant bites? Answer formic acid. Vitamin C deficiency leads to scurvy. What is the full form of RNA? Ribonucleic acid. Next question. The contractile proteins in a muscle are actin and myosin. Cartilage present in body is a connective tissue. During the process of respiration in human beings, the exchange of gases takes place in alveoli. Which of the following hormones is a steroid? Answer estrogen. Next. Name the coronavirus that kills human. Answer SARS. Next question. Hepatitis is a general term for a disease that is caused by viruses. Next, what protects the body against infectious disease and foreign invaders? Answer: leukocytes. Presence of which salt in water causes blue baby syndrome? Answer: nitrates. Name the outermost boundary of the cell. Answer: plasma membrane. Name the process in which the ingestion of material by the cells is done through the plasma membrane. Answer: endocytosis. Next question. Name the process in which the passage of water goes from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Answer: osmosis. Next question. Name an organism which contains single chromosome and cell division occurs through fission or budding. Answer: prokaryotes. The jelly-like substance present inside the cell is known as cytoplasm. Next, the process of removal of toxic wastes from the body of an organism is called excretion. Next question. The shorter fibers on the body of a neuron are called dendrites. Next. A group of glands which produce various hormones is called endocrine system. Name the first enzyme that mixes with food in the digestive tract. Answer: amylase. When blood is forced into the artery, wave-like expansion takes place is called pulse. Which organ in the human body is responsible for removing carbon dioxide from the body? Lungs. Name the disease of plant in which leaves, branches, fruits all are affected. Answer: citrus canker. What is full form of ARDSI? Answer: Alzheimer's and Related Disorders Society of India. Name the process through which much needed oxygen is supplied to all the cells of the plants. Answer: diffusion. The longest fiber on the cell body of a neuron is called axon. Thank you for watching this video, friends. These are very important questions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Be connected, friends. And हम मिलते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ, नए करंट अफेयर्स के साथ. प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करिए, सपोर्ट करिए, अप्रिशिएट करिए. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.